What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another fishing adventure here on the Live Bay Ryan channel. I am set up here on a very tiny lake here in Waukesha County. Caught some pretty decent fish out of here in the summertime, including the 3-pound bass, which I'm going to try to put that video link somewhere up here for you guys to watch it. It's a direct link to it. But I've also seen big bluegills here, as I've also caught big pike in here as well. So I have some tip-ups set up, one up shallow, one a little bit deeper. I'm kind of in my shack right now. If you guys can't hear, it's kind of sleeting right now, so I'm just kind of using this for this protection. I've caught a bunch of bluegill, nothing of size so far, but stay tuned, guys. I'm hoping we can catch something pretty big here very quickly. Got something. I know they're a little northern. It's probably about a little bit smaller. Maybe even the same size. A little bit smaller. Hey, knock it off. Look what you got yourself into now. Another little guy, probably about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller. Boom! Yeah, that feels good. What do you got here? Get over here. I think this one might be the biggest one of the day. That's saying not much. There's nowhere but up. Don't know if these are any big ones, but this is a decent mark right here that's elevated. What do we got here? Another bluegill. There's that sunken boat that's in there.
What they call them?
There's a, oh, there we go. There's a crappie.
There we go. Oh, crappie.
There's a sunken boat in Moose Lake.
Really?
If you go the far end, away from the boat launch,
yeah,
there's did that just happen? They came up and hit me when I was in the hole. Oh shit, this is a good fish. Feels like a pike. Yep. It's good solid northern. Ooh, where are you going? Yeah. Jesus Christ. This guy's got a lot of fight to him. Jesus. Here he goes again. There we go. Well, this is gonna actually close out today. Pretty good day. As you can see, it is just snowing out there. I mean, my hat, my jacket, everything is just soaked. Overall, for more of a tip-up day, it was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna be disappointed. I'm not impressed, but I think we did a pretty good job today. We had 3 tip-ups to go off, caught 1 fish, had a fish at the hole. Pretty sure it looked like a bass, but then it just got off. And then the other one, who knows what it was, it dropped it as soon as I grabbed the tip-up. But overall, good day. We caught crappies, caught bluegills. It was a good day, and it's good to be kind of doing this type of fishing rather than that walleye grind that we have been doing. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow, and I want to keep promoting this channel as best as I can. And it always starts with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.